Understanding Florida Condo Association Reserve Funding by Andrew Sesta of the Sesta Sales Team. Introduction. This isn't just a matter of prudent financial planning, it's a legal necessity that ensures the longevity and maintenance of the collective property values within a community. Our journey into the world of reserve funding will lay out a clear roadmap for condo associations to follow, ensuring that they remain financially healthy and capable of meeting the needs of their communities without imposing undue financial strain on their members. The basics of condo association reserves in Florida. In Florida, the importance of reserve funding is further magnified due to the state's susceptibility to extreme weather, the corrosive seaside environment, and the high demand for aesthetic and structural upkeep in premium real estate locations. Calculating reserve contributions. Determining the correct amount for reserve contributions involves a detailed analysis of the depreciation of property components and the anticipated costs of replacing or repairing them. The Florida dimension for Florida condo associations, creating and maintaining a capital asset schedule is particularly challenging. For example, a capital asset schedule must consider the potential for increased frequency of roof replacements due to exposure to intense sun and the possibility of storm damage. These professionals can provide an objective assessment of assets and recommend appropriate funding levels to ensure the longevity of the property's value. In addition, associations must consider the potential for natural disasters and the specific needs of their particular property, which might include specialized amenities like marinas or elaborate landscaping, which are common in Florida's luxury condo market. Reserve funds are the lifeline for future repairs and improvements, and their management demands a strategic, informed approach tailored to the unique demands of the Florida real estate market. Adequate funding levels. Determining the correct funding level requires a careful balance. Dealing with deficiencies. In cases where reserve funds are found to be deficient, a plan to address the shortfall is essential. For more information, contact Andrew Sesta. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks again.